Today, we explore one of the most underrated American performance sedans ever built, the 2014 to 2017 Chevrolet SS. Quiet on the outside, but powered by Corvette DNA underneath. This is the sleeper car that never got the spotlight it deserved. At first glance, the 2014 Chevrolet SS looks like an ordinary mid-size sedan. Clean lines, subtle badging, and nothing flashy to give it away. But under its modest exterior lies one of the most surprising performance powertrains of its era. Built by Holden in Australia and rebadged for the US, the SS comes equipped with a 6.2-liter LS3 V8 engine straight from the C6 Corvette, producing a healthy 415 horsepower and 415 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a rear-wheel drive layout and either a 6-speed automatic or rare 6-speed manual, it delivers muscle car performance in a business suit. What makes it a true sleeper is how quietly it hides this power. There are no aggressive spoilers, hood scoops, or wild exhaust tips. To the casual eye, it's just another Chevy sedan. But with a 0-60 time under 5 seconds and Brembo brakes as standard, the SS has the heart of a track machine. It's a car that can take on European sports sedans, but without ever drawing unwanted attention, making it one of the most underrated high-performance vehicles GM ever built. When it comes to raw performance, the 2014 Chevrolet SS holds its own against far pricier European rivals. Powered by the 6.2-liter LS3 V8 engine from the Corvette, the SS produces 415 horsepower and 415 lb-ft of torque, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.7 seconds with the automatic transmission, or even quicker with the rare 6-speed manual option. Quarter-mile times hover around 13 seconds flat, placing it firmly in sports car territory despite its conservative looks. Top speed is electronically limited to 160 mph, and the SS doesn't just go fast in a straight line, it was built with performance handling in mind. With near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, sport-tuned suspension, and performance summer tires on 19-inch wheels, the SS feels confident and planted even in aggressive cornering situations. Brembo brakes come standard up front, providing fade-resistant stopping power during spirited driving or track use. The car's magnetic ride control, introduced in later model years, further enhances its dynamic ability by adapting the suspension in real time. Altogether, the SS is far more than a muscle sedan. It's a refined, capable performer in disguise. At the core of the 2014 Chevrolet SS lies one of GM's most iconic engines, the LS3 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8, the same power plant used in the C6 Corvette. This engine is known not just for its raw output of 415 horsepower and 415 lb-ft of torque, but for its reliability, tunability, and unmistakable character. When driving the SS in normal conditions, the engine remains composed and surprisingly quiet, ideal for daily cruising. But push the throttle, and the deep, rumbling growl of American muscle roars to life. The exhaust note is aggressive yet refined, never obnoxious, but always present when you want it. The V8's power delivery is linear and immediate, making highway merges and overtaking effortless. It responds well to both the 6-speed automatic and the rare manual transmission, offering sharp downshifts and a strong, consistent torque curve. The SS's dual-mode exhaust system, especially in later models, opens up under load to unleash a more ferocious tone, adding to the visceral driving experience. This seamless balance between calm and chaos is what gives the SS its unique personality, civilized on the surface, but with a serious bite underneath. While the 2014 Chevrolet SS is often praised for its straight-line performance, its handling and chassis dynamics are what truly set it apart from typical American sedans. Underneath the understated body lies a performance-tuned suspension system, featuring a McPherson strut front and multi-link independent rear setup that delivers impressive control and balance. With nearly 50-50 weight distribution and a rear-wheel drive layout, the SS feels planted and agile, even during high-speed cornering. Later models were upgraded with magnetic ride control, GM's advanced adaptive suspension technology, which adjusts damping in real time based on road conditions and driving inputs. This allows the SS to switch effortlessly between comfortable daily driving and sharp, responsive handling on demand. Wide 19-inch performance tires come standard, paired with Brembo front brakes for fade-resistant stopping power and confidence under heavy braking. Steering is precise and well-weighted, offering feedback that rivals European sports sedans. Despite its size and weight, the SS feels surprisingly nimble and composed, making it not only quick in a straight line, but also truly enjoyable to drive through twisty roads. It's a chassis engineered for driving enthusiasts who value both comfort and performance. The 2014 Chevrolet SS may look like a typical sedan, but inside, it offers surprising comfort and refinement. Standard leather seats with contrast stitching and heating and cooling functions make for a premium feel. The cabin is spacious, with plenty of legroom for both front and rear passengers. Features such as dual-zone climate control, a power-adjustable steering column, and a head-up display add to the daily driving comfort. An 8-inch infotainment system with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a premium audio system ensures the technology feels modern and practical. Functionality is another strong point. The large trunk and fold-down rear seats make it versatile enough for errands or travel. Magnetic ride control in later models provides a smooth ride, even on rough roads, while fuel economy is low, 14 miles per gallon in the city. It is expected from a large V8. On the safety front, the SS includes modern features such as blind spot monitoring, lane departure alert, and forward collision warning, blending performance with practicality. The biggest reason the Chevrolet SS went unnoticed was its subtle styling and quiet marketing. Many buyers mistook it for a regular sedan, unaware that it shared engineering with the Australian Holden Commodore and had a Corvette V8 under the hood. Its higher price and limited availability also made it rare. Fewer than 13,000 were sold in the United States. Today, the SS is gaining recognition as one of the last great rear-wheel drive V8 sedans. It offers a manual transmission, real driving feel, and understated design, all in one package. In a market now dominated by crossovers and electric vehicles, the SS stands out as a true driver's car. The 2014 to 2017 Chevrolet SS may not have made headlines, but it left a lasting impression on those who experienced it. It was never about flash, it was about delivering raw, refined power in a car that never needed to shout. Thanks for watching.